Hey, what is going on everybody? I'm Riz and you're watching the YouTube guide. Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you how you can turn footage like this into something like this. Yeah, so basically how to turn any footage into a cinematic masterpiece. All right, so the first thing first, we have to download a music that is suitable for the video. Now, to be completely honest, I've never used Epidemic Sounds because it's kind of expensive, you know, if you're just starting like me. So I have a few channels, I'll link them in the description box below, like the NCS, like the audio library. By the way, this music that you're listening, it's also from the audio library. So yeah, there's tons of great music. I'll also link the playlist to, you know, get the cinematic beats kind of music that's really good for your cinematic videos. All right, once you download the music, now it's time to do the work in the Premiere Pro. So let's dive in, okay? By the way, if you are not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe because there are tons of great content if you want to be a content creator on YouTube or any other platform there is. So yeah, why wouldn't you subscribe, bro? All right, let's dive in. All right, so before diving in, just wanted to tell you that all these lights in this frame that you're seeing cost about 35 bucks. If you don't include that one right behind me, all the lights, including the key light, cost about 20 bucks. So if you're interested in getting a cinematic lighting for your YouTube videos, just like the one I'm getting right now, just comment down below. I'll definitely make a tutorial on that. All right, so now it's time to jump in. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to have your music in the Premiere Pro loaded. Just loaded it. Now it's time to import the footage. All right, there you have it. Now, nothing special. It's just a normal footage. If I just drag on it, it's just a normal footage. All right, so here's a pro tip. Here is a pro tip. So if you are looking for that cinematic B-roll kind of a look, you always want to record above 30 FPS. So, but it is not necessary. But if you are recording above 30 FPS, like 60 frames per second or even 120 frames per second, that's even better. All right, so got my footage here. Now, before importing the footage, make sure you import your music. Now, it depends on the scene. What kind of scene are you looking for? Just drag it a little bit and make it bigger. Let's see, make it longer. And you can. Okay, let's just say I want to start my scene from this moment. Just press C on your keyboard and click, and I delete this one. So let's drag it this way. Let's listen to it and see how it's. Okay, so you have a lot of beats into it. Now this is the beat, so just press C and just cut it out. And that's a beat, so just press C and cut it out. If you want to make it bigger, you can scroll right there, make it bigger. So listen to it. Yeah, this is a beat. This is also a beat, so just cut it out. This is a beat as well, just cut it out there. Okay, I think this is a beat as well, so just play with it a little. There's a beat as well. So okay, so I made a this is also a beat, so let me just cut it out. Okay, so I've made a scene. Let's just delete this one for the sake of this example. Now I want this scene to be awesome. All right, so once you are done with the music, just listen to it. It will just give you an idea. How do you want to proceed with this one? Okay, so let's say I have this car scene that I want to make it cinematic. So let's say I want to add this one first. So actually, you know what? Like let's make it like a movie. So basically, I'm driving. So just cut it at the pieces. So yeah, just delete this one. And if you don't have a lot of footage, I will just do this. Just cut it there, cut it all the way there, and just drag it there. So let's play this one. See? So every time there's a beat change, you have a change of a video as well. So I'll delete this one. I got footage, plenty of footage. And I want this one right there. Let's see. Okay, let's cut it there and delete this one. I'm happy with it so far. And got this one footage. Okay, let's add this one right there. And just cut it there. you know, it's really simple. Just chop it up. Got this one, the lost footage. Now here, I'll show you the example. If you don't have a lot of footage, you can just repeat the process. Okay, so watch carefully. See, right there, it's a beat change. See, there, it's a beat change. Now there is again a beat change right there. So I'm gonna just cut it out and just drag it all the way here, you know, just to, and now what you wanna do is to see? So we got beat here, so I'll just delete all this and just drag it there. You know, we are chopping it up to make it shorter, make it awesome. See? That's a good scene. I'll just chop it up there. I have footage. Let's say I wanna use this footage. I'll just drag it there. Delete the previous one. I'll just make it bigger and chop it all the way. By the way, if you don't know, if you don't know about the shortcuts, just press C, and that's it. All right, so the press again, cut it out, use a different footage right there. I'll make it again. You can't really, okay, so I can't make it bigger, but I can use a different footage, can I? Yeah, okay, let's see. I wanna use this footage. So just press I, drag it on the clip. All right, so I'm done with it, but we're not done with it. I'm just wanted to show you an example how it works. So let's just watch it and see how cool it is, okay? Okay, so far it looks awesome, right? Okay, now it's time to make it more awesome. I don't know if you can do more awesome, I don't know. By the way, these clips that I'm using, they're all 120 frames per second, but I'm not slowing them down. But if you really want to slow them down, so just right click on them, you know, go to modify, go to imprint, and this is a 120 frames per second. So if I slow it down, it will look more awesome. But just for an example, not everybody's, let's be honest, not everybody's using 120 frames per second, right? So, all right, now we've got the adjustment layer on top of it. And now we want to do is go to effects panel and type crop. We have the drag the crop on the adjustment layer. And on the effects control, set the top to 8% and get the bottom to 8% as well. So, okay, there we have bars, we have cinematic bars. And now it's time to make it color graded. Now, if you don't know how to color grade it, I would just simply leave it as is. But if you want this to pop a little more, go to the Lumetri color. If you don't have this panel, you can just click on window and just click on Lumetri color. And so when you just click on looks, and when you click on look, you have a lot of looks for free by the Adobe Premiere Pro. When I click on it, see the look gave it a decent look. That's a matte look. That's good. That's a black and white look. That's a gold. That's a lot of bad things. Okay, so you have a lot of looks. So I'll just, I mean, there's a lot of stuff, but you know, just play with it. You know. By the way, if you want to learn about if you want to learn more about the color grading, by the way, I'll just skip to the color grade. I'll put my LUTs on this one and just color grade it to my preference. So I'll just skip to that part. All right, so I'm done with the color grading, and let's play it out and let's see how it turns out. So it's pretty awesome, right? I just took a really simple clip and turned it into something that is watchable, something that you love to watch, something that everybody loves to watch now. Nobody wants to watch a pale footage, you know, so make it interesting, make it pop, make it cinematic. So this is it. I'm Riz. If you have any questions about the tutorial, I'll leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.